It's bullshit.
He's lying. He's lying.
Pagkaputol-putol yan o may kulang, that is not a valid budget.
Para mapatunayan na tama ang sinasabi ko, kasinungalingan yan.
Hindi na pwede mag-blanco-blanco dyan sa pera ng tao. It's bullshit. Either somebody there is stupid or more stupid than the others.
He's lying. He's a president. He knows that you cannot pass a GAA without with a blank. He's lying. He's lying because he knows perfectly well that that doesn't ever happen. Sa kasaysayan ng buong Pilipinas, hindi pinapayagan na magkaroon ng item ang GAA nang hindi nakalagay kung ano yung project at saka ano yung gastos, ano yung pondo. So, it's a lie.
Pagkaputol-putol yan o may kulang, that is not a valid budget for implementation as law. It's not only inaccurate, but I think the budget is in totality invalid.
I was watching the news earlier today and people were saying, it's 4,000 pages. Paano namin ibubusisiin yan? Ang ganito, para titignan namin isa-isa. Hindi na lang. Meron namang kopya that's available on the website of DBM. Tignan ninyo, huwag na ninyo busisihin isa-isa. Hanapin nyo yung sinasabi nila na blank check. Tignan ninyo kung meron kahit isa. Para mapatunayan na tama ang sinasabi ko, kasinungalingan yan. That's my reaction.
Wow! It's not only inaccurate, but I think the budget is in totality invalid. Hindi na pwede mag-blanco-blanco dyan sa pera ng tao.